Let's kick off with football. Veteran sporting administrator Michael Hall says the fears of the country's football getting into hot water with world governing body FIFA might be overstated, given the status of the body which filed an injunction to stop the elections which were scheduled for Sunday. Jerome Foster reports.
It's nail-biting times now for Jamaica's football stakeholders, after an unprecedented court ruling on Friday saw the voting Congress pushed back for at least 28 days after Beach Soccer Jamaica, led by Patricia Garrell, filed an injunction. The outcome meant that the world's governing body FIFA have been sprung into action, and just the thought of their involvement could create unease. The anxious times are linked with the thought of the possibility of a suspension for the federation. Article 58.2 of the FIFA statutes indicate that recourse to ordinary courts of law is prohibited unless specifically provided for in the FIFA regulations. Recourse to ordinary courts of law for all types of provisional measures is also prohibited. It's the reason yesterday's court ruling has opened a can of worms, but for veteran sports administrator Michael Hall, there's no need to worry.
FIFA would frown at any court matter brought by an affiliate or a member of a federation against the federation. But Beach Soccer Jamaica, which filed this thing in court to get an injunction, the JFF has said that they are not a member or an affiliate, right? Remember. So this would not qualify as an internal court matter. So I think, we kind of dodge a bullet from FIFA or any potential bullet from FIFA.
JFF President Michael Ricketts on Friday said that FIFA requested all documentation surrounding the court-related matter. However, Hall believes FIFA will not be quick to cast a judgment on Jamaica's football, given their role in reshaping and restructuring the JFF's constitution.
FIFA, in my view, could not frown upon a group of people within JFF who are raising a protest on the basis that, for all intents and purposes, FIFA's constitution is being breached. FIFA can't take exception to that. They can't look at that in a bad way because Anderson's team is trying to ensure that FIFA's constitution is being protected, or an attempt is being made to protect it.
Late Friday evening, the appeals committee said it would deliver a ruling no later than midnight on Tuesday, January 16, in the matters concerning the legitimacy of affiliates for the JFF elections. Chairman Ruel Gibson said the committee made every effort to deliver its reasoning and findings on Friday as promised. Gibson said, however, that material was a lot to digest in a short time, and Hall feels that the appeals committee's ruling is likely to be in line with the court's decision.
If the appeals committee rules in favor of the Anderson team, that I think would and should sway whatever decision the court makes. Yes, I think it would lend some weight, and I think it would influence how the court rules. I can't think of any good reason why the appeals committee would not agree with the points that the Anderson committee has brought before them, or the Anderson team rather, because all of the things they are saying are true, and they have all the receipts and all the documentation to prove that they are true.
Candidates, incumbent Michael Ricketts and challenger Raymond Anderson, are now bystanders as the world's most popular sport plunges into chaos locally. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.